afternoon, class. Today we'll be discussing net present value. Our question statement is given 4 pieces of comparable equipment A through D, all with 8-year lifespans and a discount rate of 12%. What are the preferable top 2 choices and their difference in net present value? Given to us is the problem statement and the table of values shown. I've already calculated the cash flow diagram for you. It shows only A because that's what I'm going to show you today, and I will discuss the values for each of the rest of them at the end. So up front we have $25,000 initially spent and then $8,000 over the course of 8 years each year, and we will salvage this piece of equipment for $2,500. This is the equation we'll be using, and it's in notational form for the pieces that require it, and we will be keeping the first cost as a initial value. So first we will calculate P salvage, which is P given F. So we will take P equals F times the quantity of 1 over 1 plus I to the nth power. And since it's in notational form and it's given as 12%, we can go ahead and look at the table, and this is given to us as a value of 0.40388. And so we can substitute these values in again for F, which would be $2,500, multiplied by this value, 0.40388, which will give us a total of $1,009.71. Next up will be to calculate the annual cost, which is P given A in notational form. So I will write it out again. P given A, P equals the A value times the quantity 1 plus I to the nth power minus 1 over I times the quantity of 1 plus I to the nth, all closed. But again, since we're given 12%, it is in the tables. We can go ahead and take this and look for it, and it's given to us as 4.9676. So now we substitute the value in for A, which is $8,000. Take 8,000, multiply it by this value, 4.9676, which will give us an overall value of $39,741.12. Now we've already calculated what we needed for the equation for equipment A, so we'll go ahead and substitute this in. Remember that salvage value is negative because it is a positive in this case, since we're looking for overall cost. So we'll go ahead and substitute this in as $1,000.71 plus the annual cost and the initial cost of $25,000 up front. So we'll take the $25,000, add this in, and add in the annual cost, which was $39,741.12. This together will give us an NPV for A equal to $63,731. Now we're going to go ahead and look back at our problem statement, which asks for us to find the preferable top 2 choices and their difference in net present value. So again, I said I would calculate these values for you using the equation above. And for B, we have $63,392.25. For NPV of C, we have a value of $63,999. And NPV for D equals about $63,222.67. So looking at these two, preferable means the top 2 cheapest choices, so that would be B and D, and we'll take those 2 values and subtract the difference between them, since that is what is asked. $5 minus $63,222.67. This will give us an overall value of $170, which is equal to question answer B.